So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 7th till the 13th of October, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it for a very long time now. It's completely life changing. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's see, honey, what we have for Scorpio. The person, okay, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Three of Cups. Okay, someone here is feeling like there should be coming together, coming back together in a situation. This person is feeling like spending good time with you, having fun with you, and having a lot of happy kind of happy-go-lucky kind of vibes with you. Okay, let me clarify the Three of Cups as their feelings for you. We have the Ace of Wands, the Hermit, and the Page of Wands. Okay, this person is feeling like coming towards you for a brand new beginning. Now, for some of you, it could be a friend of yours who feels like they should turn this friendship into more than something more than friendship kind of a deal. It's like this person is definitely thinking a lot about coming together, coming back together. Take it how it resonates with you. It could be somebody from your past wanting to come back, start from a friendship kind of a level. For some of it could be a friend trying to turn into more than friendship kind of a deal and celebrating life with you as much as they can. Okay, as we proceed, we will get to know what this energy is about, like, or who this energy is really. So this is someone who definitely feels like having a brand new beginning with you and starting with a friendship kind of a deal and celebrating life with you as much as they can. They are thinking a lot about you these days and they can't stop thinking about you. The Hermit is about not being able to stop thinking about something but not reacting at all. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Two of Wands. So from your side, you feel like waiting and watching. For some of you, you feel like there's another option also that you have in your life apart from this connection or this situation that you're already in, or you feel like this whole situation right now is not working out at that pace that you wanted to. So that's why you feel like keeping this situation on hold or keeping things situation not that keeping things to yourself as of now. Let me clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, yeah. So you feel like keeping things on a hold because you feel like you should come out of some kind of losses first, whether it's whether it's emotional losses or yeah. So you feel like keeping things on hold or keeping your love and relationship area on hold because you feel like right now you should be focused on coming out of certain kind of losses that you experienced in your life, and now you want to experience life to the fullest with yourself. Okay, that's really cool. Really cool energy. Okay, let me breathe. Okay, I just came out of. Okay, I just came back from outside. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, Scorpio? Seven of Pentacles. So their intention is to watch it grow. Yeah, the intention is to just wait and watch, and let's see with time where it goes, kind of a deal. Let me clarify the Seven of Pentacles. We have the Moon card, the Page of Cups, and the Hanged Man. Yeah, this person is scared of opening up to you, scared of expressing their true feelings to you. So they want to wait and watch for the right time when they will be able to open up to you, when they will be able to express their feelings to you fully. Okay, right now I don't think this person wants to come towards you as a romantic kind of partner, or they want to express their feelings to you in that way, but they definitely have that kind of feelings for you, and right now they just want to keep it cool and play it cool. Okay. Yeah, they definitely want to have something beautiful, something stable in this direction in the future, but they don't want to open up to you in that way as of now. They want to wait and watch for the right time, and they want to understand the dynamics with you slowly but surely. Then they want to proceed further in this direction. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Death and rebirth. This is your card only, Scorpio. You want to put an end to this situation and you want to move forward with or without this person. I'm saying with, because you still haven't left this person completely. You still are not able to let go of this person completely out of your life, out of your system. If somebody in the on my channel is a palmist, my my lines are changing for some reason. I don't know what is happening. So I don't know, just so you can explain me if you can. So anyways, you feel like putting an end to some kind of situation and moving forward with or without this person. If they are not able to align with your energies, you are ready to let it go. We have the Seven of Swords, the Emperor, the Tower. Yep. So it's like, Scorpio, right now your energies are of, I am not going to take any kind of bullshit in my life anymore. If I'm not going to get 1000% clarity about everything that this person is doing behind my back, I will never be able to take them back in my life, or I will never be able to keep them in my life. So it's better to stay without them if they are not ready to keep their shit together, and they're not ready to explain me what is going on behind my back and what are they up to. Right. Gotcha. Gotcha. Let's see what's coming towards it till the 13th of October, Scorpio. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, the tables are going to turn in your favor slowly but surely. So whatever is happening right now is going to flip in your favor. I'm saying in your favor because right now things are not going in your favor the way you want them to. So slowly, very slowly, things will start going in your favor the way you want them to. Okay, let me clarify the Wheel of Fortune. We have the Five of Wands, the Temperance, and the Three of Pentacles, right? So dust is going to settle down, and there are chances of coming together, coming back together with the person with the kind of energy that you want in your life. Maybe not the same person that you are dealing with till this point. Maybe some other person that you have in your energies, that you have in your vicinity. Okay, maybe, I don't know, but there's some kind of chaos or conflict going on between you and a particular person, and things will start flipping, things will start turning in your favor, and there are good chances of coming back together with somebody with whom you felt like you should connect with or reconnect with after a period of conflict, chaos, and whatnot. So yeah, there are chances of coming back together with somebody that you had some kind of conflict or chaos with, and I do see the dust is going to settle down very very soon, and there are chances of you clearing the air with somebody in a very very positive way. Yeah, the guidance: Five of Wands, the Chariot, and the Queen of Cups. Don't let the chaos and conflict win. Let love win here. Okay, it's very very important for you guys to understand that fights and conflicts and chaos and everything like this is temporary, and so are we as humans. We have limited time period, so let go of the grudges, let go of the fights and chaos and conflict, and understand things from a heart and soul kind of perspective, and try to make sure that you are going to win the situation, win the person, rather than winning the argument or winning the conflict or chaos, or don't let your ego win here, basically. Let your heart win in the situation. It's very very important for you guys. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.